We're going to try again. We're going to set the gimbal at 50%, and I haven't adjusted anything in the last 3 flights, so we're going to see if it gets any worse on the tilt. And do a quick orbit and see if I don't get any error messages like vibration or whatever. What I actually had to do, what I decided to do, was to actually uninstall the program and reinstall it. So let's see what happens.
Severe vibration detected. Please land.
Please land. Down we go. Okay. So
severe vibration detected. Please check the blades and drone body for any damage.
we did that. And there is none. No difference from last night and tonight. So I will stop the program, turn off the controller, turn off the drone, and we will start the drone up again. And we will start the controller again. Enter the device. Wait for the video connection. It says ready to go GPS. And we're all set. And we're gonna auto take off.
Severe vibration detected. Please land.
We'll come down again. And what we will do is,
severe vibration detected. Please check the blades and drone body for any damage.
There isn't any damage. They're completely clear and locked in. There's no damages. Okay, we are going to do a compass calibration. Compass calibration. Turn to the right. And up to the left. And that is the quickest calibration I have ever done. And we'll come out of that, and we will try it again. It cleared it. However, we now have toilet bowling, and it's getting worse. So we'll come down again.